So you're back here with Casey and me, and today we're gonna be doing Squishies video thing. Yeah, I'm in a totally better place. I'm actually in my YouTube place instead of on my bed, like my last collection thing that we did video. And we got a fish tank in the back, so sorry about the water noise if you can hear it. Anyways, let's get started onto the video. Okay, so the first one we'll be doing is the panda buns. Panda buns, yeah. So let's get started with the first one. Okay, guys, here's the first one. Very squishy. It does have a few defects, but that's okay. We love it still. And the next one is this one with this tongue sticking out. Oh, and this one had the bow, a red bow. And now this one with the tongue sticking out. Want to squish it? Show my side view. Very squishy. You love squishing it, don't you? So this one isn't dense either, but it's not very slow rising. And this one is not dense at all. And watch this, guys. I'll show you the back. It does not rise. It's crazy. It takes like, it's still rising. You can still see my hand marks in it. It's crazy. In the front, look at that, guys. It's just not even rising. So there you go. We got all three of these panda buns. And next we have, those were the only ones that I was going to put in order just because, I don't know, they're jumbo panda buns, and I thought, let's just put them all together. So, and anyways, the next one we will be doing is this donut cake thing. I don't know what it is. It's pink, what is it called? Like just pink. It's not, I don't know, like, it's not paint, but it's like makeup kinda. It's like very soft, and it has a drizzle and sprinkles on it. So squish in this back, squish, squish. And it's very not dense, but it's very not slow rising. It's very, you squish it and it's popped right back up. Okay, and these are just some of our favorites. I'm just showing you guys. So it's not really our whole collection. We got a huge box. And anyway, this one is a Christmas wreath thing, donuts kind of, when we like. And we also have a slime collection. So if you want us to do a slime video, yeah, video, slime video. Yeah. So anyways, guys, so let's keep on going. Oh, I like this one a lot. She says it has 3 noses, right? Yeah. See? Look. 1 nose. 2 noses. 3 noses. But they're cheeks, baby girl. They're cheeks. They're cheeks, but she thinks there's 1, 2, 3 noses. Which I say there's not. Well, you guys comment below if these are noses or cheeks. I think they're cheeks and that's a nose. And I also open chocolate in a mouth. And so that's all we're going to do for today. And we just had fun and wanted to show you a few squishies we had. If you want a slime collection or a whole squishy collection, make sure comment below telling us slime collection, squishy collection. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I think I said comment twice, or 3 times? Would that be thrice? Anyway, bye everybody. Say bye.